Let's do math. Before we get out our workbooks, because we're going to do a lot of that, let's do something a little bit more fun. I want you to watch. This is my board, okay? And look at all the circles that are on my board. Watch how I count them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Does that look like the way to be counting? No. Even if you use your eagle eye, you know that Miss Rudd has overcounted. I have counted them again and again. When you have a group of objects, sometimes one strategy for counting is to line them up. Because then when you start at this end and count across, you'll know where to stop. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, there are only 5. I lined them up and now I know. What if I threw all of these circles? They're different, but if I said, how many circles now? What would be a good strategy for counting? That's right. Put them all in a line. That's one strategy. Okay, are you ready to count with me now? When you count, you have to touch. Now, you can't touch them, but when I touch them, you can count and say the numbers. Do it with me. Get your lips ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, what if they were in a pile? I have another strategy to teach you, okay? I did take some away. If you're not going to line them up, do you know another way you can keep track? By moving them. So I'm going to move them one at a time over here and count as I go. 1, 2, count with me please, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See how I moved them all and counted as I went. It's another good strategy. Now here, I have a number line. Every number is on that line and it's in the right order. Ready? What's that number? 7. What's that number? 2. Let's see. 1. What if I was to put 2 here? 1, 2. How many could I put here? That's right, I need 3. 1, 2, 3. And this one? Oh, I'm going to run out of space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I had more, I could keep lining them up. Do you notice that it reminds me of a staircase? Well, let's try this. If I do this card, what card is it? The 4 card. Very quickly, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Did I make the 4 card? I did. What would you do to change it into a 6 card? Are you telling the answers? Good. That's right. Now I need 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3 on this side and 3 on this side. So now I made the 6 card. What if we were going to change it here? This is how many? 3. Oh my goodness. I would have to take away the whole side. Does that look like the 3 card? It does. It does. And let's switch it to this card. What's that one? That is the 3 card as well. The 3 card has 2 different ways of doing it. And there. Did I make the 3 card? And I still have 3. What if I wanted to change it? What's that one? The 5 card. Well, you know what I notice? If I cover that up, Do you see that there's 3? So if I want to make this into 5, what do? That's right. I have to put 2 more at the bottom. Boys and girls, you have these cards at home, and you have some supplies you could use to do this and practice it. Sometimes, you know, when I like to practice when it's snack time. If I'm eating goldfish, I'll say, I can make the 5 card, and I put them down. Or maybe I have some Cheez-Its. I can make the 6 card with that. And when I take away one, I change it into the 5 card really fast. Oh, math can be so much fun. Well, we've already been talking about circles. Here's our circles. Circles, are they a straight line or a curved line? Circles are one big curve that go all the way around. All of these shapes are circles. They are one curve all the way around. Now today we're going to talk about another shape, one that Miss Rudd had trouble finding. It goes like this. And I have trouble making it too. This is how I make it. This is a hexagon. The beginning hex means 6. Oops, hold on. I made the wrong one. Sorry, let's try it again. Line at the top, line at the bottom, this way. And then, that's the hexagon. I'm sorry, I made an octagon. I made it with 8. See how it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And it has how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. So a hexagon, does it have any curves? It does not. No curves. All straight lines. 6 straight lines and 6 vertices. Today, in your workbook, you are going to work on the page. At the bottom it says page 9. And Mom and Dad can help you find it. And only page 9. Now what do we use to write our name? That's right, we always use a pencil. We always do pinch and tuck. And we always sit with our feet on the floor with good posture. And we think about those letters. M-S, capital R-U-D-D. Now, if you have our letters, B, F, or T in your name, remember how you make them. It says to find the circles and color them green. Remember the rules about what is a circle. Circles are one big curved line. Boys and girls and parents, there may be some question about ovals. Those are one big curved line. They do have a different name. I'm not going to worry too much about it, as long as children know that the circles are one big curved line. So color them green. Then it says to find the hexagons and color them yellow. So don't make any X's yet, okay? Let's look for a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a hexagon? Nope. Ooh, look down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is a hexagon, so I'm going to color it yellow. Okay? So the circles are green, the hexagons are yellow, and if something like this one is not a hexagon or a circle, then you put a careful X on it. And then down here it says you can draw circles and hexagons best you can. It's hexagon-ish. Here, I'll show you how I do it. I put a line at the top and a line at the bottom that's the same size. Then I make a point on this side and I make a point on that side. That's my hexagon. Okay? So boys and girls, today when you're having a snack or something, or you're playing with some small some small pieces of anything, see if you can make the 1 card, the 2 card, the 3 card, the 4 card, 5 card, 6 card, 7 card, not 7 yet, all the way up to 6. See if you can do it. See if you can do it quickly. Maybe you can play that with mom or dad. Show them how much you've learned. And it's also okay to use these cards to see if you can do it really quickly. And in your workbook today, we have already done the triangles. You have done rectangles. And today it's circles and hexagons. Those are words you want to remember. Okay? Have a great day, boys and girls. Can't wait to see your work.